Welcome on board the Lipari. Very lovely forefoot, designed by the Joubert Nevelt firm. On this boat, you will find an integrated helm station where all maneuvers are incorporated so that the helmsman's job is made easier. Because she floats low when sailing, this is a boat that takes the water gently and effortlessly. Of course, you also have the renowned Swedish balconies, which offer a truly great view on the sea. The helm is remarkably well designed and allows for top performance in terms of maneuvers and storage, and its very comfortable dual helm station is very convivial. The cockpit is large, seating up to 8 persons for lunch outside under a sturdy hardtop canopy, and is on the same level as the galley with no obstacles in between. There is all the storage space you can use on a boat this size, as well as an oven and Fountaine Pajot's piano-hinged fridge. A modern and very well-equipped navigation station facing forward. You will have the choice between twin cabins or the large private owner's cabin. The twin cabins are comfortable. The queen-size bed measures 160 centimeters, and the cabin includes a lovely bathroom and ample storage. The master suite is the high point of the boat, containing a large double bed and a lounge area for relaxing, as well as a bathroom with everything you have at home, cupboards, and a separate shower. The Lipari strives both for high performance as a sailing boat and for exceptional enjoyment, besides being first class in navigation, moving swiftly over the miles.